Using Google Lens on your computer. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video where I'll show you step by step how to use Google Lens on your computer. For those who don't know folks, Google Lens lets you search for images on Google. So if you're unsure what an image actually is, you can take a photo and search Google to find out what it means or what the photo shows. And Google Lens is super helpful, folks. See an outfit you like? Take a photo, search Google to find similar clothes and sellers. So using Google Lens is really cool. In this video, I'll show you how to use it on your computer. First step is to locate Google Lens in the Google search bar. I'm already on google.com and you'll click on this icon to search by image. Here folks, it gives you two options. You can upload a photo by searching your computer for the image you want to use with Google Lens, or you can copy the image link. If you have the image link, you can paste it in this field to search. I'm going to search using my computer. Click here on Upload a File and select the folder. So here folks, I search for this sign because let's say I don't know what it means. After I uploaded the photo, it shows me what the image means. In this case, it's a photo of a plaque for 100,000 subscribers. It shows me several similar photos here. So the Google Lens tool is great for discovering information about anything you want to learn about. Did you get it, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Big hug and God bless you. Thanks.